Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to tell you a motivational story because with the help of this technique, I mean to say storytelling technique, with the help of this technique you can easily be fluent in English. You can easily be practice in English each and every day. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So the story goes like this. In ancient time in India, children were sent to Gurukul to study. Students used to stay and study in the Gurukul and do duties like cleaning the Gurukul, watering the plants, and cooking fruits, etc. in the Gurukul. Just like that, there was a Gurukul near the forest and away from the town, where hundreds of students used to get education under the guidance of their masters. Once, a boy was also sent to Gurukul to study. Soon, he got friendly with other students in Gurukul, but he was very weak in studies. He would do daily duties diligently, but anything that master taught him was poorly understood by him, and for this reason, he was often ridiculed by the other students. At year end, all his classmates were promoted to the next class, but he could not make it. Master tried to teach him by every possible method, but the boy would not understand. Finally, the master gave up and said to the boy, "Son, I have tried everything and made all efforts to help you to learn, but still you can't understand anything. Perhaps education is not in your destiny, so it is better to you go to home and help your family with their household work." Boy also thought that perhaps study is not something that he can do, and with happy heart he left for home. Summer season was on its peak, and it was afternoon time. The boy was walking to his home, and it was 25 miles from the Gurukul. He was just walking and thinking for something. While walking, when he was passing near the place, he started feeling thirsty. So he went around looking for some water. Looking around, he found that some women were filling water from well. He went near the well to drink some water. When he got near the well, he saw some marks on a solid stone kept nearby, which are used under the rose to draw water from the well. He asked the woman, "How did you make this mark on this solid stone?" The woman replied, "We did not make this mark. It is there because of this soft rope, which is repeatedly used over it while drawing water from the well." Repeatedly used from the well water, it is there. Listening to this, water pondered. When repeated movement from a soft rope can a deep marks on this solid stone, then why can't he learn with consistently? He went back to Gurukul with a lot of enthusiasm and he started studying tirelessly. Master was also very happy to see working hard and cooperate him fully. After a few years, this boy became renowned by name of Achar Vardhanath, who was a great scholar of Sanskrit grammar. He composed so many Sanskrit books like Siddhant Komedi, Laghu Siddhant Komedi, and Sar Siddhant Komedi. Even after hundred of years, these grammar books have been remained unmatched. If we see in our life, we will find that to be successful, its practice is very important. Whether it is in sports or study or learning any new skill, one cannot success without practice. Along with practice, determination is also very important. If we will be sitting on only luck without practice, then you will be left nothing but regret. If you think this story, we will find that earlier that child was very weak in study and he did not understand anything. But with his determination and tireless practice, he became a great scholar. This happened only because of his practice and perseverance. Through this story, I want to send a message to all the students, all the learners who want to be successful, who want to be fluent in English. I want to tell that if you have two qualities in your life, like strong determination and tireless practice, then you can easily find whatever you want to achieve. Okay? All the big scholars, scientists, or other big people who made their name in the history, they did not have anything that you have not. But they all become great only by their perseverance and tireless practice. Therefore, if you also want to reach the height of the success, then working hard from today with determination. Because why patience, hard work, and perseverance practice, you can get anything in your life. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.